Instagram is not the place for entertainment anymore. People started to make a lot of money through various ways. If you have a personal brand or theme page, or even if you are just starting now, I will help you to make money using Instagram. Literally, there are more ways than YouTube to monetize your brand. You can start making money even if you have less than 1000 followers. So if you are interested to convert your Instagram into a business, continue watching this video. First, you have to understand that if there is people's attention, there you can make money. 100 years ago, brands used to show their ads on walls, vehicles, where people's attention were high. And now, if you have an Instagram account where you have people's attention, you can make a lot of money. And there are different ways like paid promotion, paid selling, affiliate marketing, digital product selling, course selling, sponsorships, and convert your audience into customers. So I will explain those methods one by one. The first one is paid promotion. This is nothing but promoting a brand or a page for money. People approach you for paid promotion when you have a decent amount of followers. First, you have to gain some followers. I have already made a detailed video to grow an Insta page to 100k from scratch. It is not that much hard. And back to this video. If you want to do paid promotion after gaining some followers like 1k minimum, go to your bio and write DM for paid promotions. This will not help you to get promotion offers. You have to write as caption to all the reels you post and post regular stories that you are ready to do paid promotion. Start messaging brands that you can help them to get clients, to sell their products, etc. Just convince them and negotiate strongly about the price. Okay, the second method is to sell Instagram pages. There are two ways in this method. One is buying an Insta page which already has some followers count. You just have to sell these pages including your profit. In this way, you will get a very less amount of profit. So I will explain the second way, which is you have to grow an Insta page from scratch, which is not at all a hard task. Repost good reels with GTA gameplay or some satisfying videos and then sell it for somebody for a really good amount. With these methods, you can make some real money but not a lot of money. So I will explain the third one, which is affiliate marketing. First, you have to grow an Insta theme page in a specific niche. So after getting some real audience, sign up in some affiliate programs like Digistore24 or ClickBank or anything which sells product related to your niche. So you have convinced people to follow you that you are posting content in X niche. And after reaching to more people, you can convince them to buy your affiliate product. That's it. I posted a detailed video to start affiliate marketing with Instagram and AI. So if you decided to start making money using affiliate marketing, click here and my clone will meet you there. And just think about it. If you want to sell a physical product, you first have to make the product right, and you can literally sell that product to one person. But if you create a digital product like for video editing, sound effect packs, overlay packs, and for businesses, ChatGPT prompts, etc., it will take some time to make those products at initial stage, and later you can sell it to people infinitely. Even you don't need any shipping expenses. Some people are making thousands and thousands of dollars and even millions using this method. I tried selling a digital product and I made over 20k Indian rupees. I will make a full video about digital product selling soon, where I will reveal top secrets to make and sell digital products. So stay tuned for that and your patience will pay off. I said I sold some digital products, right? I sold a mini AI course which fed me the most amount. I made a pre-made long video and uploaded in a drive folder, which I considered as a mini course. I sold it to my followers with just 2k page. I just made the course once and almost 50 to 60 people bought the course, which is a real passive income. You don't need to sell pre-made courses. You can also do mentorships, coaching, tutoring, etc. For this, you don't need any physical place, but these things will pay more than the physical business like real tuition center. So if you have any idea to sell digital products, kindly wait for a few days. I will make a full tutorial to create and sell the product from scratch. Okay, the next method is getting paid by a company for talking about their product. Yes, sponsorships. This is considered as the main source income for most of the YouTubers and Instagrammers. It's nothing but talking about a product which you love using. People would love to buy products when a real person or their favorite influencer talks about the product. So companies love too much to pay for the influencers to sponsor. But the brand expects that the influencer should at least have 10k followers. So at the beginning, focus on affiliate marketing or paid promotions, and later you can do sponsorships with which you can make a lot of money. And the last way to make money using Instagram is to convert your audience into your customers. This is the craziest way to promote your business organically. Most of the creators or entrepreneurs use this exact strategy to grow their business. If you already own a business or going to start one, Just notice your needs and start posting content related to your needs. Don't worry about the response you get. Just focus on quantity at first and day by day improve the quality. So after you get more reach, convert your followers to an Insta channel or a Telegram channel or a Discord server. Trust me, this will work perfectly because if the owner of the product talks about the product, people would love to buy their product, right? And these are the ways creators use to make money using Instagram. I just explained those methods shortly. If you want the full detail of each methods, comment the method you want in detail with a fire emoji. I will try my best to upload as soon as possible. And if you want to edit faceless videos like me, click here and my another clone will meet you there.